Colin, yeah. Come on, Colin, look. That's it, get flapping. Mr. Cuckoo Bird. Mr. Cuckoo Bird. Okay, look, we're gonna make this one go off. Okay? You ready? Okay, ready now. That's the cuckoo time. Just wait till you're 20 years old and you have to run this video for you. Ready? Cuckoo time. Yay! Cuckoo Bird. Okay, wait, hold on. That's the small cuckoo bird. Alright, hold on. Hold on, Cuckoo Bird.
That's my Cuckoo Bird.
Okay. Don, you ready? Alright, here we go. Now picture you're 22 years old, your girlfriend's over the house. And Poppy runs this for her. Okay, Cuckoo Bird. Okay, that's a fast one. One more, here we go. Oh, I'm not allowed to do it? Are you going to give me the full view? Okay, one more Cuckoo Bird. That's it, just he does the fast stomach thing. There we go. Oh, no more Cuckoo Bird. There you go, there you go. It's a fast Cuckoo Bird. That's it. Oh, here comes the big cuckoo now, 12 o'clock. He's got the wings flapping. There you go. Yay! Cuckoo Bird! Yay!
Cuckoo boy?
It's the Cuckoo Bird.